Welcome back to Power Up Health, where we combine the wonders of nature with health and survival. Tip today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: 12 unusual survival fruits you can find in the wild. These fruits not only taste amazing, but can also provide essential nutrients to keep you energized when you're exploring or in a survival situation. Let's get started. Our first survival fruit is the pawpaw, known as the largest edible fruit native to North America. It's packed with protein, vitamins A and C, and a delicious tropical flavor. You'll find these in shaded areas near rivers or streams. Just make sure they're ripe. They should feel slightly soft when squeezed. 2. Prickly pear cactus fruit. Found in arid regions, these bright red or purple fruits are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and water, perfect for hydration in the wild. Just be careful to remove the spines before eating. C. Buckthorn berries. These tiny orange gems are a superfood powerhouse, loaded with omega-7 fatty acids and vitamin C. They grow near coastal or mountainous regions and are great for boosting your energy levels. Elderberries. Have you heard of elderberries? While raw berries can be slightly toxic, cooked or dried elderberries are a fantastic source of nutrients and immune support. They're a lifesaver if you're dealing with the sniffles in the wild. Here's one you might encounter in Africa: baobab fruit. Known as the tree of life, baobab fruits are packed with vitamin C and fiber. Their tangy pulp can be eaten raw or mixed with water to create a hydrating drink. Wild berries like raspberries and blackberries are a classic survival food. Easy to spot and loaded with antioxidants and energy-boosting sugars, they're a must if you stumble across them. Ackee fruit. Moving on to something exotic: ackee fruit. Native to the Caribbean, this fruit is a delicacy but must be eaten with care. Only consume the ripe, yellow arils, as the rest can be toxic. Langsat, duku, fruits. From Southeast Asia, we have langsat or duku fruit. These small, round fruits are sweet, tangy, and packed with vitamins B and C. They're perfect for a quick energy boost. Check this out: ice cream bean fruit. Native to Central and South America, it has a sweet, cotton candy-like pulp inside that's not just tasty but also full of protein. Talking about marula fruits, back to Africa for the marula fruit. Known for its use in making amarula liqueur, this fruit is rich in vitamin C and a good source of hydration in the wild. 11. Monkey oranges. Another unique African fruit is the monkey orange. These round, leathery fruits have a tangy, nutrient-rich pulp that's high in energy, perfect for survival scenarios. Salak or snake fruit. Last but not least, the exotic snake fruit, or salak, from Southeast Asia. Its reddish-brown scaly skin hides a crunchy, sweet fruit that's high in potassium and antioxidants. So here are some of the unusual fruits that can keep you nourished and energized in the wild. Always be cautious when foraging, and make sure to identify fruits correctly before eating them. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Power Up Health, and let us know your favorite wild fruit in the comments. Stay adventurous, and see you in the next video.